Yo, what's up growers? Welcome back to Plantory. Today we're diving straight into Thai papaya grafting, step by step, using a high survival wedge grafting method. Stick around because most papaya grafts fail not because of luck, but because people skip one tiny step that I'm about to show you. And trust me, it makes all the difference. Here we've got our fresh Thai papaya scions. These little guys are the game changer. This variety is known for bigger fruit and strong resistance, perfect for grafting. First things first, we gotta disinfect them. I place the scions in clean water with a bit of disinfectant. This kills any bacteria or fungi that might have tagged along during harvesting. Skip this, and your graft can fail even if everything else is perfect. After soaking, I take them out and let them dry naturally. And now, we're ready to graft. For this graft, I've got my knife, pruning scissors, grafting film, and electrical tape. Each tool has a purpose. Don't improvise. Today, we're grafting onto a pineapple papaya rootstock. It's got strong nutrient flow, ideal for multiple grafts. First, I trim excess growth at the grafting point with scissors, then smooth the cut with a knife. Clean cuts heal faster and improve cambium contact, which is key for survival. Next, I create a cleft, 1 millimeter deep at the top, then vertically down about 2 centimeters. That's our slot for the scion. Now I shape the scion into a thin wedge, 2 centimeters long, sharp and even. Check out that white tissue at the top. That's living cambium. Without cambium contact, grafting fails. Carefully insert the scion into the cleft. One side alignment is enough. Perfection isn't required. Now we wrap tightly with grafting film. No air gaps, no loose spots. Then seal with electrical tape. This closed, humid environment helps the graft heal faster and boost survival rate big time. Using this method, I've grafted multiple scions onto a single rootstock, and the setup is clean, sealed, and ready to heal. If you want real grafting techniques, not guesswork, hit that subscribe button, drop a like if you learned something new, and comment below if you want an update on how these grafts survive. Grow smart, not lucky, and I'll see you in the next one.